Now I'm going to look for the next clip in my project. I can see I've got one here, boat replacement movie. I can see I haven't got a 3 in this list, so I assume that someone supplied this as a replacement. So I'm going to double click on this. I can preview the clip inside my source monitor. Okay, I'll decide where I want to start the clip. Remember, I can use the in and out points. So this trims the clip down. Doesn't actually delete information from the clip, just determines what you see of the clip. I can then add that onto my timeline. And you'll see my movie is slowly starting to build up. When you play your clip through, now because I know the audio is noisy on this particular set of videos, I am going to use the mute feature just while I preview the clips. So I'm going to click on the M key here in my controls area. So this will mute the audio. So I can then play my clip through without the distraction of the audio. Having now added a couple of clips to my sequence, you'll notice that this replacement clip I've just put in suddenly goes very dark. What I want to look at now is how I can do some color correction on this individual clip. I'm going to highlight the clip itself because I want to use my color correction features. Now I'm actually going to switch workspaces. I'm going to switch to the color workspace. This will change the emphasis of the panels. You'll notice now down the right hand side of my screen I have my Lumetri color appear. Now within Lumetri color there are a whole series of options. Now I'm just going to do a very basic correction on this image. We are going to be using the basic correction features. When I click the auto feature, it will automatically try and correct the whole of this selected clip. That does a pretty good job just using the standard auto correction.